Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Reister here. I will be walking you through the answers to your turn number 1 in your notes. Let's start with question A. We have -8 plus -1. And we notice that we're adding 2 negative integers, therefore our sum will also be a negative, and we just simply add the absolute values. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Hold on one second. For whatever reason, it is zooming in on me. Our answer here is -9. We add the absolute values and apply the sign of both sums, or both integers, excuse me. B, we have 109 plus 191. We have 2 positive integers here, therefore the sum is also positive. And 109 plus 191 is 300. Moving on to C, we have -3 plus -7. Add the absolute values, and we get 10, and we apply the sign of both integers, which is a negative. Therefore, our sum is -10. D, -40 plus -105. Same thing, we're going to add the absolute values. 40 plus 105 is 145, and we apply the sign of both integers because they are the same, which is a negative. So our sum is -145. E, 32 plus 38 plus 16. They're all positive, so we can just add the first two together. 32 plus 38, which is 70, and then we can add the positive 16 to that as well. 70 plus 16 is 86, therefore our total is 86. F, -150 plus -1500. They're both negatives, so we're just going to add the absolute values, which is 1,650, and we're going to apply the sign of both integers, a negative, and we've got a -1,650 as our sum. And then our last two, G, we've got -48 plus -12 plus -10. And we notice here that they're all negative integers. So we can add the first two, -48 plus -12. The sum will be a negative, and 48 plus 12 is 60. And then we can add our -10 to that, and we will get a sum of -70. And then our final question, -200 plus -800. They're both negatives, so add the absolute values. 200 plus 800 is 1,000. And then apply the sign, a negative, and our sum is -1,000.